Right.
Hi, we are called Flydende By, Floating City. We are building ships like this one and developing solutions to how you can make a sustainable environment, solutions to all the things you need out of waste. And also the ships are made of waste and are going to be a platform from which we will share the ideas and continue developing and teaching each other the solutions that we are coming up with. So we are preparing ourselves and others to transform their neighborhood into being sustainable instead of waiting for someone else to do it.
Nice. And how did you guys come to use waste like this?
I mean, it's the only truly sustainable way of doing the sustainable transition, to use what we already have produced and transform it, as well as using, of course, organic materials as far as that's possible.
Okay, cool. Thanks.